Today we're going to be making my specialty chops. And don't worry, you'll be spared. For this recipe, you'll need your butter, rosemary, and your garlic. I feel like we're missing something. And your meats. Now, if you're like me, you don't like cutting garlic, but don't worry, no more of this. Now you can use black magic if you're a sorcerer like me. Once all of your ingredients are prepared, go ahead and turn on your skillet to the near maximum heat. Now you want to start seeing wisp of smoke before you put your meat in. Make sure it's put in away from you so it doesn't scorch your skin alive. As that is cooking, make sure to flip it periodically because you want it to be cooked evenly throughout. Alright, now you can go ahead and toss in your garlic that isn't at all affected by the black magic. Turn it down low and go ahead and grab your rosemary to place a single strand of it on top. Slice and drop in your butter. .45-degree angle as always, and beautifully baste that thing. Now once they're completed, go ahead and plate up the beauty. Now for a completely unbiased taste test, I have brought my very own dark, shadowy, otherworldly friend in order to give it said unbiased taste test.
Alright. Okay, I'll take this back.
You heard it here, folks. It's approved.